So you remember from last time I caught an unknown eye? Well, I got a suggestion to call it Irelia from League of Legends. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it that. I-R-E-L-I-A. And my unknown is now called Irelia. Yeah. Let's go ahead and start the montage. Hey YouTube, what's going on? Sample Sounds here, bringing you another episode of my Crystal Nuzlocke. As you just saw, I named my unknown Irelia, and I got it up to level 10. During that training, I did find out that its hidden power was electric, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. One of my friends and I were just joking about it before I started recording. Basically, any flying type is going to die. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take on the gym, see how well Irelia does. And yeah, this is going to be interesting. But also, as you saw, the whole issue of only having 15 PP is going to get to be annoying. Yeah. But yeah, took on that first guy really easily, and taking on these Pidgeys really easily. And yeah, look at that, just taking out this gym already. I'm gonna go ahead and heal up, because I kind of want to actually keep unknown the entire way through. It'll be interesting if that happens. Yeah. Also, if you see in the layout an unknown F, sorry. I kind of just found an unknown that I liked, and I figured I'd go with F. So, sorry about that. And yeah, that took out that guy really easily, and now the Pidgeotto is gonna die easily. Look at that! Irelia is just taking out things already. Jeez. Falconer's always talking about taking electric moves easily. No, no, just no. That doesn't work that way. Mud Slap. I could teach it to Rattata or Totodile. I'm gonna keep it for now. Maybe I'll catch something interesting. Yeah. So, right, the egg. I'm gonna go ahead and hatch this in Violet City. So if I, you know, this might take a while though, because it is, I believe, a Togepi egg. So this is gonna take a while. Sorry about that. I guess I'll just talk to you while I'm doing this. Oh, let's see here. If you guys are wondering why that was the fourth unknown that I ran into, that was because I kinda knew that Ruins of Alpha only had unknowns, so I figured I'd make an exception. And since I killed the first one with a crit and the next two fled, it's kind of unfair. So I just went with the fourth unknown, and yeah, I did not mean to stack it in my favor for the gym. It just kind of happened that way. Yeah. This is going to take a while because it's a Togepi egg. Oh, there it goes. Let's see here. What should I name my Togepi? Oh boy. Let's see here. I'm just going to do a terrible pun. If it'll fit, that is. Excellent. Excellent. Hold on, I'm gonna check the spelling of excellent. But I'm replacing the X with two G's. Come on, there we go. Let's see here. Excellent. Lelent. Excellent. Oh boy, that's just awful. Let's see here. Stats. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun to train it. Yeah, Togepi is not the easiest thing to train, because you gotta do a lot of switch training. And as you saw up here, there is grass. However, I do want to catch the Sudowoodo, so hopefully I can do that. If I do end up killing that Sudowoodo by accident, I'm not going to count it for this route and just end up catching something else. Because basically that Sudowoodo is like a separate thing, sort of. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. Hopefully you do too. I can't really explain it well. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put Togepi up front, so I can go ahead and start switch training her. It's whatever. This guy, I believe, gives you a Miracle Seed. Yeah, but I don't have anybody that can use it right now, and I already have Rattata, so oh shit. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually kill the Rattata here. Hopefully I can get a... Oh, it has to be a Bellsprout, doesn't it? I really didn't want a Bellsprout, honestly. I was hoping to find a... what's it called? Mareep. I was really hoping to catch a Mareep, but oh well. Let's see here. Bellsprout's name... what should I call it? What should I call this Bellsprout? Man, it's a really good question. Let's see if I can get it all the way to a Victory Bell. Could just call it James. Let's call it Venus. And it's a female, so that works. Gotta go ahead and heal it up. Oh, come on now. Oh, dang it. I'm struggle busing right now, sorry. And yeah. So I've already gotten 2 Pokemon this episode. Yeah. One by egg and one by catch. Pokemon. Brobat. Bite. Oh, darn it. Meant to do that. There we go. Alrighty, let's take this guy on. Ekans. Even Ekans would have been decent. Just switching to Brobat, I guess. Oops. There we go. Oh, crap. Oh, good. It's a good thing that wrap doesn't work the same way it did in first gen. I would have lost Brobat right there. Rattata. Let's go Rattata. Quick attack. Easy. Zubat. Switch back in Excellent. And go into Irelia. Hidden Power. Bam. I feel like this unknown is going to come in handy. Just get me out of binds and whatnot. Don't think this guy gives you... Wait, did I ever get Youngster Joey's number? No, I didn't. Darn it. I'm going to be right back. Run. Thank you. Let's go get Youngster Joey's number. Do. Come on. The speed up button's not working in my favor. Youngster Joey, I want your number. Thank you. I forgot to get Youngster Joey's number. I can't believe that. You never forget to get Youngster Joey's number. He's awesome. If anybody tells you differently, they're wrong. Oh, come on, really? 2, 3, wait. 11, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good thing I have potions. Yeah. That would have been bad if I didn't have potions. I would have lost Togepi before it started. Yeah. Eventually I will go and see Professor Elm to show him the Togepi. I'll probably do that off screen though. Hey, I learned Metronome. Sweet. Now I can sort of defend itself. Let's go ahead and show it off. Oh, got agility. Heal Bell. Acid Armor. Dizzy Punch. This is not going to work out. Just go into Dundee here. I need to put this up there. There we go. I kind of want your number 2 because you become fun to battle later on. Really? Whoops, didn't even... I totally forgot about this person. Water gun, take it out. Great. I'm going to go ahead and put a Bellsprout up front for these battles here, maybe. There we go. Switch. I'm going to go ahead and give it an item too. Give... there it is, Miracle Seed. That'll help out. And yeah, Vine Whip. Oh, really? This is bull. Thank you. Come on. This is not cool, Poliwag. Jeez. That was not okay. Really? 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 Haha. Did not go to sleep that time. Jesus Christ. Alrighty. This guy has Magikarp, so this will be an easy battle. Oh boy, that was level 15. Oh, almost lost Venus. Take that out. Level 5. I can just... Oh, really? You go for the Baton Pass. Whatever. Oh. Looks like Mom bought me an item. That's great. Hopefully it'll be a good item. And there's one more trainer. And I believe this guy you can actually get the number of. And wow. Almost died. Because that thing knows Peck. Yeah. I actually like having Ralph's number. Oops. I need to go down here to the Pokemon Center. Sure. That guy still tries to sell you a Slowpoke tail. It's kind of weird. Oh, crap nuggets. Yeah. Totally forgot about that. Just gonna take him out with Irelia. And that's easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. There's an item up here. Yes, there is. Great Ball. It's awesome. I forgot to get some more Pokeballs. Oh well. Oh, Wooper. This will be easy. See? Told you. Alrighty here. I guess that's all the trainers and whatnot. I'm gonna go ahead and stop right here. And we'll go through the cave and probably do some stuff in Azalea Town. But yeah, that's basically all for this episode. Making some small progress. Making some good progress. Yeah. That's really it for this video. If you liked it, go and leave a like. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them down below. And if you like me and want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. That's all your choice. And until later, peace out.